Objects are used to store keyed collections of strings, numbers, arrays, other objects, or even functions, which we will learn that they are considered to be composite data types. So let's look at the code here. I could have a constant named person, which will be of data type objects, which are declared using the curly brackets inside of which you'll have your keys and their associated values. So for example, I could have a property named name, and that would store a string data type, so Jane Doe. I could also have an age property, which would store a number data type. I even could have a property named say hello, which would look something like this, and an array property, and let's say courses taken. To access those properties, I could either use the dot notation, which would be console.log, and then here I'll call the object name, which is person, and then dot the name of the property, so name, for example. Or you could do the square bracket notation, which would be console.log, the name of the object again, so person, and then instead of the dot, I'll have a square bracket inside of which I'll have a string representing the name of the key. So in this case, let's get the age. And here I get my string, which is Jane Doe, and I get my number, which is age. If I wanted to call the function here, say hello, all I need to do is call the person object dot say hello, and that should call my function.